Here's our room, guys, 106. Let's have this. In we go. You put your card in there for the electricity. Laura's just gone down to reception, so I have a free room. This is the bathroom. We'll start with that, I think. Nice frosted glass. Big mirror. Toilet. I love the sink. Got all your amenities. I think that's how you pronounce it. A little plug socket there. Some soap. Extra towels. A shower. Big walk-in shower, not walk-in wardrobe. It's actually massive in there. You've got all your products. Again, shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. That is big. I don't think the camera does it justice. But that is like a double shower, if you like. So that is the bathroom as we come out. I do like the frosted glass. We've dumped our stuff just here, but there is a big 8-foot mirror against the wall. LED lighting behind it. Pretty cool vibe. You got your little seating area. And quite a big TV. I'm gonna say that's at least 50 inches. The bed is pretty big, looks pretty comfy. Bedside tables. Plug sockets and lights either side. There are reading lights as well. They're pretty cool. Good storage. The aircon is just here. We were trying to work it out because this room is like an oven. But I think, I switched it off. I think that's it there. No idea. If anyone knows, let me know. But yeah, massive bed. The same this side. You got the phone though down to reception. Plug sockets. Your reading light again. Bedside table. You've got some random table just here, but that's quite nice. You can do some work while facing the TV. A nice lamp here for if you're working again. A couple of mirrors on the wall with some artwork. Big curtains. Cover the whole room. We'll look at the view in a sec. Here's your wardrobes. I haven't zoomed out on this phone, so the room might look a bit smaller than what it's showing. Some of Laura's clothes are hung up. There is an iron and an ironing board behind there. You've got a hairdryer, a safe, and more storage. So there is plenty. We're only here for one night. But yeah, that would do us. That would suit us. Here's our view. Not a view at all. But I bet up there's pretty cool. The other side, looking out onto the city. But yeah, our view's not great. But we didn't pay a lot. For this room, I think we paid 150 euros. That's including breakfast. That mark on the bed just there, that's a bit of dirt from the suitcase when Laura was sorting it out. So the bedding was clean. One more thing is a bed test. We do this in every room. I got to do this myself. Normally Laura does it. Whoa! That is springy and comfy and massive. But yeah, that is our room, guys. I really like it. Great location, 5-minute walk from the main train station. Spacious room, got everything we need. Breakfast included. I think we've really hit the jackpot with this one. So if you did like this video, please drop a like. If you have any questions about this room, this hotel, location, etc., etc., please drop a comment. But for now, we'll see you in our next one.